Hello, good evening, friends. Today's topic is how to get floor length hair. You may ask whether it is possible or not. Yes, it's possible when you have the proper criteria needs to be followed. When you follow that, definitely you can achieve it. That is, I am assuring you. Okay, without wasting time, we will go into subject. Actually, five important factor its affect. One is food style, second one is lifestyle, and third one is hormonal imbalance. Fourth one is our hair care products, what you are using, oil, shampoo. And then fifth one is atmospheric related, and then how hair is affected externally. These five factors going to be discussed in the manner in this video. Okay, first we'll take food style. Now nowadays we are not at all eating that balanced diet. What is that balanced diet? Actually, balanced diet is nothing but you have to eat adequate amount of iron, protein, vitamins, and minerals. These four items has to be taken in the proper manner corresponding to that body requirement. That's important. Okay, in that food item you can add more spinach in your diet, because nowadays no one is taking a proper diet, especially spinach they are avoiding it. At least you can extract the soup from the spinach and you can continue it. Okay, the second most thing is iron content. Yes, spinach is having iron content, especially moringa leaves, and much more spinach is having iron content. I mean much iron, what I'm saying is, okay, much iron content, so it would be useful to you. So another thing is you can add that dates, dry grapes, almonds, and peanuts. When comes into protein, peanuts and soya is the greatest source and cheapest source, I can say. So kindly do that. Okay, add in your diet. And many of them is avoiding that green leafy vegetables, especially potato. They are believing that potato, in any manner if you do intake, it will brings gastric issues, indigestion issues. So in this manner, obviously they are almost right but not completely right. Am I confusing you? No, I am not at all confusing you. Whichever the thing, I mean the potato, if you roast it in the oil, definitely it will brings a gastric issue. But when you boil and utilize it, it never brings any more gastric issues, because uh, potato is the very important vegetable which is having the greatest starch, because for hair care starch also important. And then that vitamins, as we know, we have all those vitamins in the green leafy vegetables, and then regular life, what we are replacing that vegetable it contains. So the second topic is lifestyle. Lifestyle, yes. First of all, that cloth and sleep. This thing is very important. I mean, nowadays the youngsters not at all they are getting hungry and fulfilling their meal, whether it may be dinner or lunch or breakfast. Okay, so without getting hungry, and they are adding into that more number of sugars and fat content, I mean to say oily item, deep fried oily items they are consuming. We have to avoid that. and tight cloths, I mean, to whether it may be tight jean or leggings, something else. I'm not saying you have to avoid that, but you have to minimize the usage of it. That you can do that. And then sleep compulsorily 6 to 8 hours. Deep sleep is important. Okay, the third one is very very important. Why I kept this as third in the sense, because of most of them having that hormonal imbalance because of their food style and lifestyle. So we can avoid by food and lifestyle itself. Very rare case, few of them having some genetics issues. I mean to say, it may be 1 or 2 percentage. Mm. That also we can eradicate, because what medical experts saying, the genetics will impact on your health or these kind of related issues just 20 to 30 percentage. If you don't care, yes, definitely that 30 percentage will become an 100%. But when you're taking care, that 20 percentage will be on 20 percentage only, 30 will be 30 only, because the remaining 70 is there, right? That is more than enough to get a better hair or better health. So in this manner you have to think. And we can eradicate by some herbs. Till now we have seen how we can avoid without coming that hormonal imbalance, but now whoever already affected, for them we can avoid by using Satavari, Aswagandha, Yestimadu, I mean to say licorice, and then Rammi, in Tamil they will say Valare. Okay, so these four kind of herbs corresponding to your body type and hair type, you can ask with your uh, healthcare advisor or hair care advisor, or with your Ayurvedic family doctor. You can consult with them and you can do that. That helps a lot, because when you have the hormonal imbalance, if you do more number of hair cares also, there is no use of it, because when you have that hormonal imbalance you can't do that. You can't get the proper, you can't get that proper hair care, because health care, which hair is the mirror of the health. Okay, so whichever the health care issue is there, first of all it will get impact on the hair fall and hair thinning effect it will get. So this is the representation, so you have to be careful on this. Corresponding to your hair type and body type, you can take those herbs which I have mentioned. Most of them, when comes into ladies, Satavari can utilize that uh, commonly, because without having these kind of issues also you can do that, because not only that Satavari is having these kind of properties, which is having much more additional benefit like an stress busters. So that sleep will come, it will help for indigestion, we can avoid that constipation also. So these kind of enormous health benefits, which is Satavari mainly use 90 percentage using by that ladies only. When comes into gents, I mean to say testosterone, when comes into that gents Ashwagandha, you can utilize it. Even though ladies also utilize that Ashwagandha, because that estrogen and testosterone, is two hormones plays that better role in hair care and health care. So it has to be in balance. So we have to take care of this thing, and corresponding to that Ayurvedic doctor advice, you can do that. And one more is, as I said, that fourth one is shampoo and then oil. Kindly use that cold pressed original oil. So that is very very important. Better you can use that homemade hair oil along with our orthodox herbs whichever we are following. So add that. And shampoo, many will use that heavy chemical content shampoo. Kindly avoid that, because you will get better hair care if you avoid shampoo. So if it is possible, add silica into that. And the fifth thing is external one. Okay. And external thing, when comes into external thing, don't comb your hair while wet. Okay, wet hair should not be pressed. That's very very important. And use, kindly fold your hair and put a band when you are at home or else dusty atmosphere. Trim your hair every 6 months one, corresponding to that lucky day, or else if you don't have belief, you can avoid it. But compulsorily you have to trim your hair every 6 month one. These are the one. Thanks for watching my video. I'll meet you in another good video.